Today we're going to open the PromethION flow cell from Oxford Nanopore and see what's inside the flow cell. So this is how it looks like. So there's just one screw here and no other screw on the top, but on the back side we have some screws. They're very small. So let's go and see what's inside the flow cell. Okay, so I start with this screw. And the last one. There we go. Wow. Cool. There's still some liquid inside, but that's a used flow cell. So we have this thing, and this is probably rubber. It can come off. Yeah. This is all the electronic bit. And this is the rest of it. So this part is all the fluidics with the fluid moves. And can we open this? Looks like no, because it's being glued. Yeah, there's no way we can open it unless we break it. Yeah. Okay, so that's what's inside a PromethION flow cell. Thank you.